Judge Brett Kavanaugh's mother issued court rulings from her Maryland courtroom in a property foreclosure case involving the home owned by the parents of Kavanaugh's accuser, Christine Blasey Ford, court documents review. The case dates to 1996, years after the party where Ford claims Kavanaugh, President Donald Trump's pick to serve on the Supreme Court, got on top of her, groping her while covering her mouth in what she alleges was an attempted rape. Kavanaugh denies the allegation as well as being at the party in question. His mother served as a Maryland Circuit Court judge. The foreclosure case was circulated online in a tweet by conservative commentator Laura Ingraham, potentially suggesting a motive for the bombshell accusations that have suddenly threatened Kavanaugh's path to the Supreme Court. But it was not clear from the court record whether the counters of the case would have resulted in ill feeling on either side. The case resulted in a settlement with a lender, allowing Ford's parents, Ralph and Paula Blasey, to maintain the home. Kavanaugh's mother issued rulings allowing the settlement to go through. The home is located in the leafy community of River Falls neighborhood of Potomac, Maryland. The case was brought by United Mortgage and Loan Investment Corp. Kavanaugh's mother, Martha Kavanaugh, oversaw the case in Maryland Circuit Court. She granted a voluntary motion to dismiss the case in January of 1997, State Court Records Review. There are no further records on the case after 1997. Share this article. Share the Blaseys sold the home in 2011, according to land records. The case was handled by other judges earlier in the foreclosure process. Kavanaugh lauded his mother when President Trump nominated him to replace Justice Anthony Kennedy. "The president introduced me tonight as Judge Kavanaugh, but to me the title will always belong to my mom," he said. "My introduction to the law came at our dinner table when she practiced her closing arguments," Kavanaugh said. Her trademark line was "Use your common sense, what rings true, what rings false." "That's good advice for a juror and for a son," he said. The White House issued a new statement from Kavanaugh on Monday. "This is a completely false allegation. I have never done anything like what the accuser describes to her or to anyone," he said. Kavanaugh has said he is willing to answer questions from the Senate Judiciary Committee, as is Ford. President Trump called for going through the processes and said, "If it takes a little delay, there'll be a little delay."